My name is Tatiana. We at Samuel Leeds rent-to-rent course. It's been amazing, same as usual. It's my second course. I did one last month, and then I'm doing the second one this month, and then it's brilliant. It's very nice to be in that environment. Nice to be with people who is trying to achieve same goals, who wants to be success, and yeah.
What about Samuel as a teacher? Can you explain what he's like?
Everything that he teaches is absolutely brilliant because, like say for example, previously I was with Touchstone. It's absolutely trash because I didn't learn much from them courses. I did learn more from like WhatsApp groups when people was having conversation, asking questions and responding like on those questions. But when I find out Samuel Leeds, it's just absolutely brilliant. The team that they have in place, like solicitor, accountant. I'm working in finance by myself, but it's always like good to get some advice which is like more knowledgeable, and like all coaches like happy to help, all mentors, basically anything that's any sort of questions that you have relating to the property can be answered, just basically anything, and this is brilliant, and it's obviously available almost like 24/7, because when you work with properties, anything could come up, and just you need to like find out answer resolution for like particular things. Yeah, but it's absolutely brilliant, and then it's not just like a basic, like for example if I'm comparing like to Touchstone and then to Samuel Leeds. No, he's just explaining everything, like everything that you need. Basically, if you're even starting from scratch, you can do it. It's like basically chew it for you and give it to you straight to your mouth. Yeah.
And to anyone who's thinking about it that was maybe a bit nervous, what would you say?
I would say just try to calm down. Just watch what others do. Always remember you're not alone. You have supportive team behind you. And obviously you can maybe shy, I don't know, or not sure for 1-2 times, but more you're doing it, more you will be like showing yourself. Yeah, that's what I can say. Just keep doing it. We all, I would say, every single person going through something, like, for example, they can be like scared of something, or we like basically better to say we all going through fears, and then to pass those fears, you just need to carry on.